Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. Today's project is interesting. I am going to make a home or wall decor using triangular canvas frames. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Here, I got some triangular canvas frames. Please do check out video description for all the links of the products that I have used in this project. Here is a tip. To buy these canvas frames, I looked around where to get these canvas frames and finally found the cheapest option available based on my need is at Hobby Lobby. There are options available where you can buy these canvas frames, but they are in bulk buy, like you get like 10 canvases in a pack, and I felt like I would not use so many canvas, so I just went to Hobby Lobby and bought these canvas frames based on my need and size. So I just wanted like 4 or 6 canvas frames, so I just got them from the store. Here I have some mirrors for the design, some fabric glue, and here I have some eco-friendly fabric. That's why I think I'm matching my sari with this fabric. So this is all the fabrics that I have. So I'm gonna mix and match the fabric and create this DIY project.
Here is a tip. Don't pull the canvas from the frames with the pins. Instead, you can use a craft knife to cut the canvas as shown. Stretching the canvas from the pins is hard, and trust me, I got hurt many times doing this. I have done that in the past and learned to use the knife to detach the canvas from the frame.
Fabric to the canvas, I'm not using any glue, I'm not using any fabric glue to attach it. I want this frame to be detachable with the fabric. If I want to reuse this frame for any other home decor, I want to use it, so I'm not gluing this fabric to the canvas frame. Here I'm using my favorite crafting tool, painter's tape or masking tape. You can absolutely use this painter's tape or masking tape to attach the fabric to the canvas. And later, if you want to reuse this canvas, you can absolutely remove the fabric, just remove the painter's tape and you can reuse this canvas. You can paint on top of this or reuse this canvas with a different fabric.
Stretch the fabric as shown and attach the painter's tape to hold it in place. Repeat the same on all the corners, and if you see any loose ends, just pull it more and attach it with painter's tape.
My canvas frame is all ready. To add some bling, I'm gonna attach some mirrors using fabric glue. For the fabric that I am using, the design has a lot of leaves, so I'm using a leaf-shaped mirror to attach them to the fabric.
You can skip this step if you like. I love adding some bling to my decor, so these mirrors pop the decor more on the walls.
These canvas frames have pins showing up, so I'm gonna use some mirrors to cover it up. Here are my canvas frames ready, and now it's time to decorate.
To attach these canvas frames, I'm not using any nails or wall pulls. I'm going to use hot glue and painter's tape to hang these frames. Trust me, these frames are not heavy and very easy to hold onto the walls and easy to remove from the walls without damaging them. I would say this is the best hack to hang light or medium weight frames to the walls without using any nails or wall pulls. And if you don't have painted tape at home, I would definitely recommend to get one as it's very useful home tool. You can decorate these frames in a number of ways. Here, I tried to set them up 2 different ways and loved how they turned out. Trust me, these frames are not heavy and very easy to hold onto the walls and easy to remove from the walls without damaging them.
I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.